I have no patience today, okay, human sled piston? Do not be weak on this protocol.
Have some self-respect, Sled Piston. Here in this laboratory, I value justice and honesty. If the competitor wins, that is the deal. He is free. But if he fails, then he is all yours. This is Unit 04, a Beyblade made of paper and a plastic bottle cap. And in this protocol, this Beyblade needs to spin for just 1 minute without falling. Yeah, if Unit 04 wins, it is free to do whatever it wants with its existence. But
let me handle this human sled piston, but be warned, if he fails, I will not hesitate to extract energy from unit number 04 to power our ship.
Let the protocol begin.
I did not expect that, Unit 04. You did not beat the protocol. Had you won, you would be free to spin throughout the universe. In the Sled Piston laboratory, a deal is a deal. Sled Piston, extract the energy from this loser.
Sled piston. Human sled piston, I am still not satisfied. I need more protocols to extract more energy for our ship.
You are insolent, Sled Piston. You savored Unit 04 with relish and still want more. Ask your audience for protocol ideas.
Crew members, put your protocol ideas in the comments. We need more energy.
If you didn't see the fate of the previous unit, click on this card to the side and check it out. I bet you'll like it. This charming series of units, protocol ended.